Welcome, today in front of me OnePlus Nord 2T, and I'll show you all the box accessories with the watch our device comes. So let's first open the box, and the first thing that we can see, that is the charger brick with all of the specs here. Also have here the USB Type-C cable in red color. And in this paper box we have also the silicone protective case, and inside of this box we can find the SIM jack tool and some paperwork like the quick start guide, safety guides, and the warranty card. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.